welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we are creating paper monsters. So in your craft kit you picked up from the library, you have a piece of construction paper to build your monster on. You have a monster template with the head and some mouthpieces. You have a set of antennas and a set of ears, a horn, two googly eyes, a pom-pom, and some glue dots. So the first thing that we are going to do is to color the pieces of our monster. You can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever you have handy. And then we're going to cut out each of our monster pieces. So here we go. Colored and cut out all of our monster pieces. So I've got once again my head, my two ears, two antennae, my horn, my mouth. So everyone got two mouths, so you can choose which one, or if you want your monster to have two mouths, you can certainly do that as well. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our construction paper and I'm going to keep it up and down long ways, and I'm going to use a glue dot to glue my head to my paper. And I'm going to glue the head kind of towards the bottom so I have room for the ears and the antenna and all of that good stuff towards the top of my page. So I've attached my head. Now I'm going to use glue dots to attach my ears. And the ears I'm going to put on the side of my monster's head. Okay, so I've got head and ears. Now my antenna. Actually cut a glue dot in half for my antennas and put them on the top of my monster's head. Next I'm going to attach my horn and my mouth. So I'm going to put the horn again on the top of my monster's head. And then my mouth I'm going to put towards the bottom of my head in the middle. So we have all of our template pieces that we colored and cut out now are on our paper. So our final steps are to attach our googly eyes, or you might have eye stickers, and that works just as well too. Last but not least, we're going to take our pom-pom, use that last glue dot, and our pom-pom is going to be our monster's nose. So there we have our paper monsters. We hope you enjoyed our monster-themed craft this week. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for an interactive monster story time. Goodbye, friends.